Exercise 4.3 problem 16 to 20 solution. If A matrix A equal to Aij, that is equal to I plus j, then A is equal to one of these options. So basically every element A, this is A, let's say 1 2 is equal to 1 plus 2. So that's what they mean by saying that. Okay, so this is I represents the row number, and j represents the column, right? And Aij represents the element. So the value of the element itself is equal to its row number plus column number. That is what they mean by this formula. And they are asking us to find the value of A, and they have not given us what type of matrix, what is the order of the matrix. Okay, but if you look at the answer, its answer is all 2 by 2 matrix. So let's write the matrix first. So the matrix A is A12, A12, sorry, A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay, so basically we got it here. Okay, so now let's list out all the elements. So A11, so that I is 1 and j is 1. So the element value of the element is I plus j, right? So it's 1 plus 1, 2. So that's what is done here. Now this is A12, I is 1, j is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. So this will be 2 plus 1 and this will be 2 plus 2. So you will get 3 and 4. So the matrix is 2, 3, 3, 4. And if you look at it, it is this one. Am I right? So it's option B is the right one for us. Okay. So let's go to 17. So in this case, what is happening is, if the matrix minus 1, 0, 1, A, B, C, D equal to this, then the values of A, B, C, D respectively are, they are given us the values. So what we need to do, we need to multiply the matrix and get it as 2 by 2 matrix, and then equate every element to its corresponding element in this matrix. Am I right? So multiply these two matrix, then you will get a 2 by 2 matrix, equate that to this matrix. When you equate two matrices, the corresponding elements are all equal. So that is the way you will be able to calculate the value of A, B, C and D. So is this matrix multiplication defined? The order is 2 by 2 here, and this is 2 by 2. So the number of columns here is 2, the number of rows is 2. So it is defined, and the resulting matrix will be 2 by 2. So let's do the multiplication. First row into first column will come here. So that is minus A, and 0 into C is 0. This is first row, second column, right? So first row into second column. You can do the multiplication. Similarly, this is second row this is second row, and this is first column. So 0 into A and 1 into C. That is 0 plus C. So this is, what is the element here? This element is second row and second column. So second row of the first matrix and to second column. So 0 into B and 1 into D. So 0 into B is 0 and 1 into D is D. Right? So this matrix is basically minus A, minus B, C and D. But we know that this matrix is equal to this one, right? So you can see the two matrices are equal, which means the corresponding elements are equal. So minus A equal to 1, or A will be equal to minus 1. Minus B equal to 0, or B will be equal to 0, and C equal to 0 and D equal to minus 1. So we got the values here, minus 1, 0, 0 and minus 1. So here you'll have to check which one it is. Minus 1, this is the one, right? Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So it is option A. Okay, so basically all you need to do is do the matrix multiplication, get the resultant matrix, equate it to the right hand side, and equate each and every corresponding element, and thereby you'll be able to get the values of A, B, C and D. Okay, now let's go to 18th problem. So in this case, basically, if A equal to 7, 2, 1, 3, matrix 7, 2, 1, 3, and A plus B is this, then matrix B is. So this is very simple. So A plus B is this. So you want to find matrix C, B will be equal to this matrix minus A. That's all it is. Okay. So you keep B will be this matrix. Take this, when you take it to the other side, it will become minus A, right? So matrix B is this matrix minus A. A is here. So now we have two matrices in subtraction. So the corresponding elements needs to be subtracted. So minus 1, minus 7. So that is minus 8. 0, minus 2, that is minus 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So you have matrix B as minus 8, minus 2, 1 and minus 7. So you can see that is basically option C, right? So this exactly matches it. Okay, now let's go to problem 19. So here, okay, basically, if it's not 5 into 1, it is the matrix 5x1. X is an element here. It looks like it's multiplication. So this is 1 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 by 1. And this matrix multiplication is defined. Am I right? Because order here is, maybe I'll just write it for you. Okay. So this is 1 by 3. Right? Very difficult to write in this setup. And this is 3 by 1. So the matrix multiplication is defined, and what will be the resultant matrix? The resultant matrix will be this, and so this and this. So you will get 1 by 1. Am I right? Yeah, it's not coming. Never mind. So that will be the so the resultant matrix will be 1 by 1, right? And that is what is this. So they have given it as 20, and we are asked to find the value of x. So do the matrix multiplication, and whatever value you are getting, equate it to 20. That will get an equation x and solve it, right? So let's do the matrix multiplication. So 5 into 2 plus x into minus 1 and 1 into 3 is that matrix, is that element. So 5 2s are 10. This is minus x and plus 3. So 10 minus x plus 3 equal to the right answer, which is 20, right? So what will happen? So 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 minus x is 20, or x will be equal to 13 minus x, right? So x, when it goes to the other side, it will become plus. So x will be equal to 13 minus 20, that is minus 7. So option B is our answer. Okay, so basically you'll have to do the matrix multiplication, and if you'll get the resultant matrix, you equate it to 20 and get the value of x. Okay, now let's go to the 20th sum. Which one of the following is true for any two square matrices A and B of the same order? Okay, this basically AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. That is basically reversal law for transpose of matrices. Okay, so that's basically option D. So if you know this law, the reversal law of transpose of matrices states AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So it is option D, which is the right one. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.